Hey folks, Erik Heninger here, answering some questions that we get from clients. And here's a question that I get literally every single case. And it's a good question. How does a contingency fee work? So let's talk about it for just a minute. Contingency fee. The fee is contingent on whether or not you recover. So traditionally they work like this. I'm going to use a nice round number since I'm not good at math. That's why I became a lawyer. Let's say your case settles for $100 and you have a contingency fee of 33% and you have expenses in your case of $10 and you have a medical lien of $5 in your case. So you settle for $100. The fee, the contingency fee in your case is going to be $33. That's 33% of the $100, $33. You have expenses of $10. So $33 goes to the lawyer for fee. $10 is going back to him or her because they have paid those expenses during the pendency of the case. So now you've got $43 going to the attorney, expenses and fees. $5 is the medical lien. This is the person or the company that paid for your medical treatment. $5, a little side note, lawyers can negotiate that. So that $5 may become $2 or $3, but that amount has to be taken out as well. So fees, $33, expenses, $10, that's $43, $5 medical lien comes out. That's $48 of that $100 settlement. That's where it goes. That leaves $52. $52 goes to you. All right, so the contingency fee is how lawyers that do personal injury claims traditionally work. Now, something that you need to understand also, since the fee is contingent on you recovering, if you lose the case, if the case is dismissed or anything like that, you don't have to pay the lawyer anything. It is a risk that the lawyer decided to take on themselves to try and help you. And so if you think back to another episode where we talked about reasons that lawyers do or do not take cases, if I don't think that I can recover for you and then get paid, it's unlikely that I'm going to take your case at all. I'm not in the business of losing money. So contingency fees, that's how it works. I broke it down a little bit more than that for you so you understand kind of how things break up when cases are settled or resolved. You're always going to have a fee. You're always going to have expenses. You may or may not have a lien in your case. So hope this helps in understanding how the process works and how lawyers get paid, and probably some questions you need to be thinking about when you start hiring a lawyer. So click the link to subscribe so you'll catch all the videos that we're going to do, trying to help you understand the legal process and who you need to hire as a lawyer. Thank you.